Now, zooming in from countries into states, which states do you think have the worst diabetes numbers? Where I'm going to show you. And this might be somewhat shocking to you, which is kind of crazy. But okay, so West Virginia is the worst state for diabetes. Florida, worst state. Mississippi, worst state. Alabama. How crazy it is that most of the people in this course right now, I didn't plan it this way, but somehow we got people from these states, the states that have the worst type 2 diabetes. And so, is this a problem that's going to go away? What do you think? Is this problem getting better? Is actually getting worse? So it is projected that this is going to grow by 2030 to 15%. So it's going to grow by 38%, creating about $327 billion in cost. And that's not even to speak of the mortality and the morbidity and all the effects that has in these states. And so this is pretty crazy, right? That a lot of people in this course, most of the people here are from Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, naturally gravitated to this course. Is the biggest needs right now. But anyways, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, West Virginia, the worst states, the problem is only getting bigger. And it is because there is a fundamental misunderstanding of this disease. It's not that people need more insulin, it's that people is an insulin resistance problem. It's not a lack of insulin. So think about which state you're in, and then we can that awareness kind of can bring you upon a realization like, wow, I really need to watch for my health here, because all these tendencies are creating a lot of this pain for me.